This segment is sponsored in part by New York State of Health. Care at Home, connecting New Yorkers to safe, reliable home care services.
In-home care is a great option for friends or family who have a chronic illness, disability, or simply getting a little older and may need some help with daily tasks. Besides helping maintain independence, it has so many other benefits. And now New York is making home care services more accessible. Joining me now is Michael Greklek, the director of New York State of Health Care at Home program. Michael, it is a pleasure to see you this morning.
Thank you for having me.
I think about this because my mom is 86 going on 36, but I would be remiss if I didn't say this is something that's going on in my siblings' minds. So I wonder if we could just start, for those who don't know, what home health care services are. Can you explain that for us?
Yeah, sure. So in general, home health care services are non-medical in nature, and really the services that are provided really help the individuals with their daily living activities. It could be things like personal hygiene, it could be shopping for them, it could be transportation, those types of things.
Yeah. So they really run the gamut of things. So New York State of Health is expanding its Care at Home program, which will help New Yorkers find safe and reliable home care services in New York City, Long Island, Westchester County. Tell us about the program and its expansion, because it feels like it's becoming very all-encompassing. Sure.
So we're one of the first that we know of in the country to offer a different type of service through the marketplace. So this is a new initiative for us. It's a pilot program. We launched it in November of last year, November 2021. We launched it in Nassau, Suffolk, and Westchester counties. And then right now, actually, as of October 1st, we're going to launch in New York City, all 5 boroughs. So the idea about this program is really just to create a reliable and trustworthy site for individuals to find agencies that have available caregivers.
Right, and this can be a very daunting task, especially if you are the children of someone who's aged, like I am. And something that I certainly think about is when it comes to finding the right person to bring into your home, how easy is that process?
So the way that our system works is that there are some preferences that you can filter on in the system. You search by zip code where you need care, and then you can have certain preferences included in that. So, for example, if you speak Haitian Creole or Russian, you can sort by the agencies that have available caregivers that speak those languages, and then you can connect with that agency, have a conversation even with that caregiver before they even enter your home.
Right. I wouldn't have even thought of that, but that is definitely an added plus, especially when you think about the diversity of New York and so many different languages. Can you talk to us a little bit about the cost?
Sure. This is a private pay initiative, so essentially the cost is paid by the individual receiving the care. For the New York State of Health Care at Home program, we did negotiate with all of our participating agencies, and most of them do provide a preferred rate. So it's a discounted rate for using our service and going through our system.
This also sounds like it's a great service for people who have just had surgery. What are some other benefits of having this home care?
Yeah, I think, one of the most important things is that you can recover in your home. Right. All right, because we all know that's the basis of this entire program. Folks that recover in home tend to recover faster and are healthier. So the whole idea of this program is if you just need temporary assistance, you can also obtain it through the system. It doesn't have to be because you have a loved one aging, but it's just for anybody that needs a little bit of assistance with daily activities. It could be short-term, it could be long-term, so it's just beneficial in general.
Fantastic. Michael, thank you so much. This was a wealth of information for us and for our viewers, and we appreciate your being here today.
Thank you for having me.
And if you would like more information on New York's Care at Home program, head to nystateofhealth.ny.gov. And just a reminder, home care has a lot of benefits. It really does give relief to family caregivers and can also provide companionship.
Indeed.